says, use the number line diagram below to answer the following questions. Number 1, what is the length of each segment on the number line? Celine? 1/12. Why do you think it's 1/12? Mm-hmm. Okay, so from 0 to 1, how many tick marks are there? There's 12, right. So that means each mark would be 1/12. Okay, each line segment, or each segment of that line would be 1/12. So if that's the case, then what number does point K represent? Simon? 8/12, correct. Now, what would the opposite of K, point K, be? Gianna? -8/12. Locate the opposite of point K on the number line and label it. Label it with the point L. So how are we going to find the opposite of 8/12 on the number line?
It's the same thing but opposite side
Of?
of 8/12.
It's the same distance away from what? Away from 0, yeah. Since it's 8/12 to the right of 0, we're going to go 8/12 to the left of 0. So let's do that with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is 8. And we're going to label it L, it says. Okay? Now, number 5 says, in the diagram above, 0 represents the location of Martin Luther King Middle School. Miss Anderson actually worked at a school called Martin Luther King Middle School, I think. So, it says point K represents the library, which is located to the east of the middle school. In words, create a real-world situation that could represent point L and describe its location in relation to 0 and to K. Okay? So what do we want to call point L? Let's call it the what? The cafeteria.
What?
Let's call it point L is going to be the cafeteria.
No. Why are you so far away?
Let's call it we'll call it the cafe for short, so I don't have to write cafeteria every time. So we're going to call it MLK MS, Martin Luther King Middle School. Okay. We have to walk 8/12 of a mile east to the library. Which is point K, right? Then we have to walk back to MLKMS for third period. For fourth period, we go west 8/12 of a mile to eat lunch. Okay, so that's all I'm going to put there. L is the cafeteria, and that would be 8/12 away from the library, or from the MLK school.